नीत करते क्या लाइफ में आप ऐसे?
I'm a mom of two beautiful girls, and I'm actively looking for a job as well.
Wait 1 second. So what kind of a job are you looking for? What department? What field are you in?
I'm in human resources.
Listen, City 1016, very humbly saying this. We have millions and millions of listeners listening to us, especially in the evening.
Okay.
जल्दी से अपने आप को pitch कर दो रेडियो पे. All those people who are looking for HR professionals, who knows, they might send me a message on 4005 और आपको job मिल जाए.
I've been in human resources past a decade now. I'm a Gulf baby. I'm born and raised in Kuwait. I worked in many industries, retail, IT. I worked in education recently.
This is the power of radio, man. It just connects people. लोकेश आपके साथ राइट शीट ऑन सिटी 1016. मेरे साथ इस वक्त अमनदीप है. Hi अमनदीप.
Hi, Lokesh.
अमनदीप, you run a consultancy firm, huh?
Yes. Hello.
Okay, so अभी अब हम proper interview करते हैं 30 seconds का. Amandeep, you want to grill Neet, you want to ask questions, please, please feel free to do so, okay?
So, what is your most favorite line in HR, or the line of work, I would say?
Neet.
I think the employee experience is the most wonderful when you are directly linked on with the company organization, and internally when you are working with the employees.
Basically, Rangoli making competition.
इसका complete opposite बताओ. What do you hate the most?
I hate those situations when I have somebody who I have to let go because the company says so, and I have to be the one to do it. Yeah.
Neet is an empath. She's an empathetic, sweet person. She is.
But Lokesh, do you know this, that I've interviewed like hundreds of HR professionals, and 90% of them say this.
Yeah, man, it's a tough job to let go of someone and especially be the harbinger of that news. It's really difficult, man.
Yeah.
But listen, Neet and Amandeep, jokes aside, what I'm going to do, I'm going to share your numbers with each other so that you can take this conversation forward. And Neet, if you do land yourself a job, you'll have to come down to the studio, मिठाई के डब्बे के साथ. समझ रहे हो आप? मेरी ये सब मैं कर रहा हूँ, मैं किसी के लिए नहीं कर रहा, मैं सिर्फ खाने के लिए कर रहा हूँ. समझ रहे हो?
I know.
The way you did this, it is very, very nice of you to do it. And I would love to get connected with Neet and, really help her if I can.
Oh, thank you. It really means a lot. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Exactly. Thank you for the opportunity, taking me on air and, linking us together. I think this is genuinely the easiest and the fastest way of getting online and getting a job.
Stop it, both of you guys. Like, stop it. No, this is the least that I can do. So thank you so much for tuning in, and a big hug to both of you.
Thank you.